Hey folks, how you doing? Susie Meadows here. Welcome, welcome. It is normal Facebook Live crafting time. It is Monday. I gotta look at the calendar. December 18th. Hey, we're gonna do a couple really quick and easy tree packages for Christmas. Now's the time to dig into your stash. You've got some last minute things you want to do, and so I'm just going to show you a couple really easy ones. I'm going to go ahead and turn you down to my work surface. So hang on while I get up close and personal here. There we go. Let me get you snapped in here. So let's see what we've got. Oh, look, we have some lights. As you can see, I have a glass mat. This is the one that is available. It's going to be our joining special. So I didn't know how it would look in the camera, and I see what it looks like now. And of course, I don't have my iPad over here to see where anything is. I'm going to go grab it. You'll hear noises in the background. I just got home from work, been gone all day, and the kitties are just a little bonkers. They're saying, "Mama, where you been?" So, but anyway, so I'm going to check in on my iPad really fast to see that I'm in the right spot, because that's always a good thing. Because you know me, I have recorded a live in the wrong spot. Good, we are in the right spot. And oops, see, echo and effort. Excellent, good. Okay, so we are, like I said, this glass mat is fun. I just got it out of the box, but what I'm going to do in the meantime is, since the lights are shining on it, I'm going to cover it for right now so you don't go bonkers, because I don't know about you, I don't like seeing things reflecting on me. So, okay, Susie Meadows here. We're going to do real quick crafties just to let you know. This starts January 4th celebration. That's our special time. Purchases, you get to get free goodies out of here. I'd love to open it up, but I can't. Not until January 4th. But I need to start doing some sneak peeks. We celebrate Christmas Saturday. And so after that, I have time to play. And I'm going to. And then I'll show you some things. So what we're going to do, last week I showed you this little goodie. See, there's Mr. Beans right there. They smell chocolate, and they really think they need chocolate, but they don't get it. So, but this is one of the goodies we did with 2 Hershey Nuggets last week. So, but this week I was going to show you, I'm calling them, here's a Santa belt. Here is they're candy kisses in there, or a Grinch candy kiss belt, or snowman. So, but I think we're going to put this together really easy. We did this in the class, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is. I'm going to scoot this over here. So how easy it is to make. So we're going to do the Grinch. So we'll put that there. I'll put the Grinch up here. Okay. Here's my supplies. Just a lot of supplies. Okay, I need my trimmer because I need to cut a 3.5 by 4.5 piece. We're going to put these up here. These are other goodies I need. Okay, we need a 3.5 by 4.5. 4.25. This is 4.25 exactly. Yes. So I need 3.5. So really, this is a quarter piece. Oops, sorry. I got to move Mr. Beans. He's decided he needs in the chocolate. See, here's some goodies I made earlier, and I need to keep them close to me because his nose was in there. Oh, kitties. They think they need chocolate. Okay, there we go. 3.5 by 4.25 is what we've got here. So now we're ready to start scoring on the 3.5 side. So I'm going to get my cutting blade out of the way, and we're going to score it at 1 inch. We're going to score it at 2 inches. Like I said, we made these in class Thursday. but I just thought I'd show you really quick. They're really easy. I saw them on, there's a Facebook page on craft fairs, and somebody shared this, and just the cutest thing. So, okay, a few other supplies we need. We're going to score this. So let me think. Yep. And, oh, and I need my candy kisses too. It's going to be pretty important. It needs a really sturdy adhesive. I'm going to use the tear and tape because it's sturdy. Glue, the multi-purpose, you know, I like the liquid glue. It will work, but you got to hold it closed until it, you know, because it's wet. So it has to, takes a minute to catch on, whereas this is immediate. So get that. And here we go. Take this is double-sided tape and get that off from here. I need my candy kisses. I'm going to use, I love peppermint. And so here we have 3. No, I think, yep, we do 4. These are the mint candy. I'd love to take a bite, but I won't because then I couldn't talk. So, okay. So this is my adhesive. So what I'm going to do is put them in there and do it like that. So I'm going to fold this back so I don't stick it on everything. And we are going to tuck them right in here. Put the little Hershey tails down. Build this over. And stretch. Move the fibers a little bit because it is a tight fit. And, oh, look, Sir Whiskers is investigating. He smells that chocolate. Oh, they just want it so bad. Nope, got back, Betty. Oh, thank you. Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So now we're going to put the belt on. And this is the gals in the class helped me with this. I struggled and I thought, oh, I need this pretty, so I would tuck it inside. And somebody said, Susan, just cover it. I tell you, it is very helpful to have other people thinking because they came up with the perfect way to close it up. So here's where I'll put a little bit of liquid glue. And so these, I have a little box of them, and I'm probably going to put them like for my postal carrier. I thought I'd put one out in the box. And somebody I'd seen carries a little basket with them in the car. So when they're out shopping, maybe they go through a drive-through, they give that, you know, something little like this. Nice little idea. Just something nice for Christmas, you know. Okay, and so this is some of our glimmer paper. It already has adhesive. I'm making life easy on me. So, well, it always helps if I pull it the right place. Okay, come on now. Well, I've used it before and it was really easy. But today, of course, when I'm on camera, you know, if you can't get it, then fine, glue it. So we'll put some glue on here. It is adhesive. I don't know why it doesn't want to pull it off for me right now. But that's okay. This is plan B. When it's fighting with you, you work with it and you go to another plan. So there we go. And then I have a little piece of black. And I'm not measuring. I think this is a 1/2 inch piece of, so, oops. Oh, that was really crooked. Look at that. Okay, that's too crooked. I cannot do that. I can do a little crooked, but not that crooked. There we go. Much better. Oh, goodness. Put just a little bit of glue on there. And I have one other little cute, really, really quick and easy treat thing to show you. There we go. So this is our Grinch Belt. How's that? So get these out of the way. Okay. So, like I said, or you can do a Santa. This Santa just has regular kisses. And I just put black paper at the top. And with my marker, I put the eyes, the mouth, and just like I did on the snowman last week. So that gets to go there. So there's our Grinch and our snow. So let me do this other really quick and easy. And I showed this last week. Sarah, our Stampin' Up! CEO, showed how you can use your Stampin' Alcohol Blends and decorate. They come in a pair, a light and a dark. And so this one here is, which one is it? I've had some since the very beginning, so I had to replenish my supply. Let me see, light cherry cobbler. So I'm going to use my dark cherry cobbler, my dark starry sky, and my dark shaded spruce. Now, it takes just a little, I think 10 seconds or so. Let me make sure I'm up in the camera. Here we go. So I'm just using this broad tip and doing a diagonal line here because I want to put two other colors in here. Now this is our large 6x8 cellophane. In class, we did the small envelope, clear envelope, which is this size. So, but I wanted to see what this one looked like. So let's get our cherry cobbler. And, ooh, that's nice and bright, isn't it? There we go. And here, and here. And then we'll do the starry sky. Now you can do dots. You can do, if you wanted, you could do a plaid. I've just found that this is, for me, this works the best because it's quick. There we go. And I think I'll put another one here, and here, and here. And you'll see when I put candy in there, you don't really see my imperfections. Okay, get these out of the way. Now, I don't know about you, but I love these Redbird, these peppermints. So we're going to get a handful of them here. Now, I wonder if this is dry. Let's touch. It looks like it's dry already. And, you know, that was quick. So, I'm going to open this up and put a handful in. Like I said, we did it in the small envelopes, our clear envelopes. And just to show you, it would look something like, whoop, whoop. So that just shows you the difference in size. But let's say we wanted to go with these, and I wanted to do a few more. Let's say I was giving them to some family. And so that's good. And so let me get some ribbon. I don't know which ribbon to go with. Let's go with this pretty, I love this. This is the iridescent ribbon, and it's going away. So I'm going to make sure I use it. And so we will just, you know how it is about tying a bow on camera, but we're going to go ahead and, I'm going to do it. I'm going to chance it. Oh, you know, it always helps if candy's inside. Yep, I'm wallering it. There we go. Okay. There we go. And do our cute little bow. There we go. I chop it and it'd be ready to go. So, and let's see, I want to put a tag on that. Oh, you know, we've got all kinds of punches, but you know, for right now, I'm not going to do that. But that's just an example of what it would look like. So gang, here's some really quick and easy treats that you can just pull some candy out. You can do your different stashes. get into your craft stash. But like I said, these are these alcohol blends, and you can do that right on the plastic. Now, you cannot, somebody had asked me, can I use my Stampin' Right? These are water-based. So when I mark on there, you see the streaks. Whereas when I go with a blend, an alcohol blend, it blends. You cannot see the streaks. So that's the value using the alcohol versus the water-based. So, but gang, that's all I've got. I will be back next Monday. No, I won't, because that's Christmas Day. I probably will not be back on, I'm not. But anyway, hey, thanks so much for watching. If you got any questions, this is where you can get a hold of me, craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net. And this is this month's host code. And hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I appreciate you checking in. And I'll put this over here so you can see. There you go. So thanks so much. I will catch up with you later. Take care, gang. Bye-bye.